It's 6:10 in the morning and I have 5 days holiday for Diwali. So yesterday I finished all my work. I didn't sleep and now I'm heading towards the bus station to get a bus towards Panchgani into the Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Join the journey with me. So I've reached at this transit point on time or before time. It's 7:14 and I'll get bus by 7:30 I guess. So so far so good. So finally I got the bus. It was more than an hour late. So finally I've settled down and let me show you the seat that I have reserved. So this is a government transportation bus. It is called as Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation, MSRTC, and this is pretty good. Looking at the price range, I have paid like 500 rupees from Mumbai to Panchgani, Mahabaleshwar. So let me show you what all the facilities we get in 500 rupees. So there you can see the fan. We can on and off with help of the switch. It's working. I've kept my shoes over here, my bag over here. These are the curtains we get for privacy, and behind me there are also cushions. Also there is a light and I have a charging USB charging port over here. Let's see if it works or not. And this is to keep, I think, phone. This is to the phone. Let's see. Like this. Chala, thank you. Okay, so finally I got down at this Dandeghar bus stop, and this is where my hostel is. It's called as Zostel, where I have made reservation for the day.
Okay, so that side is the kitchen. This is the common room where you can avail all the meals because it's not allowed in the dorm.
Okay.
If you want to, smoke, you can smoke it outside the dorm because it's not allowed at all.
Okay.
For the Wi-Fi, this side. For the Wi-Fi, the password is welcome guest. There is no space in between, and all the letters should be lowercase.
Okay.
Hostel guest is the router for the same. We do serve breakfast in the morning by 8 to till 11. For that, you'll have to take the coupon, which
Okay.
will cost you 147 per person, and that will be unlimited breakfast.
Okay.
For the lunch and dinner, we do have a la carte, which is gonna serve from 12 to 11:30 in the night.
You have coffee?
Yeah, we do have.
Okay, so I have ordered dal khichdi to eat. While they are making it, I'll show you around. So this place has a very nice view as well as vibe. People are chilling. That's what I like. The people those who are staying here are living in solitude as well as respecting other people's solitude. Well, that's what I like about this place. I hope the stay goes well. Hello, I'm Darshan. अरे वो कोरोना की वजह से आदत हो गया ना. So I've ordered this dal khichdi here as I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything since morning. So let's have the meal, and then they have planned a trek also. I don't know, somewhere a good viewpoint, 360-degree viewpoint. We will try to attend that also. This place also has a nice chilly kind of vibe because it's a hill station. It's also a bit cold here. So I checked in to the hotel. It's called a hostel, and this is my bed. This is lower berth I've got this. Uh, मुझे zoom जाने का बोलना. So these hostel guys are taking us to a sunset viewpoint. It is also called as 360-degree viewpoint. Apparently, we are going to get a 360-degree view of the valley from that point. The road to that point is weird and a bit risky, as you can see. But hey, it's okay. We are hardcore travelers. So this is not new for us. This place is great. I'm liking it. This is a little bit scary road. Can you see that point over there? We have to reach there before sunset. So we came down all the way from that point till here, and now we are going over there. It's quite a trek. So that's the summit. Let me show you the view from there. It was a quite cute trek. And finally, so this is the summit, and they call it as 360-degree viewpoint. काय म्हणतात त्याला 360-degree viewpoint ना? काय? पॅरानोमा. पॅनोरामा. अच्छा, 360 degrees. covered myself in the jacket. Thank God I got this jacket with me. I covered myself because these thorns are itching into my body, and this jacket is a great lifesaver. So finally we came back. It was quite a trek, not the biggest one. So I came back from the trek, went into my room, and I took a shower and again got dressed, and now I'm heading towards Panchgani market. It is around 2 kilometers from the hostel, and I have to walk and go there because there is not transportation available. So as you already know that I am always fascinated by the colonial history in the Indian continent or Indian subcontinent, and that is the reason why I keep on traveling towards the hill stations of the country. Now, why the hill stations were very important for the British officers? Because the hill station have a very nice, calm and cool climate, which the British people used to like. So that is the reason why they used to choose these hill stations. So this hill station, Panchgani, was found by Sir John Chesson in 1860. I don't know, 1850 or 1860. He found this hill station, Panchgani. So why this is called as Panchgani? Because it is a group. Panchgani is a group of 5 villages. Now I don't know the names of the villages, but this is a group of 5 villages. So that is the reason why they call it as Panchgani or Pachgani in Marathi. I was walking in the streets of Panchgani, and I saw this hotel, and it gives this old Parsi cafe vibes.
जो गरम मसाला का था ना लीफ, गरम मसाला का लीफ वो भी डालते हैं
इसमें
हाँ
अच्छा उसका स्मेल है वो। अच्छा है। So that was a great meal. That biryani tasted like Behri Pulao. I had that kind of biryani in the, I think so, in one of the Parsis cafe I had. Just don't remember the name, but the taste was same, and I was really excited about the interior. I have to get back 2 kilometers again to get to this hostel, and I'll change my clothes, and then I'll go to sleep. Tomorrow we are going to Mahabaleshwar.